Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have a very interesting series in trigonometry. Find the sum of sine 1 degree plus sine 2 degree plus sine 3 degree up to sine 90 degree. We know that sine 90 is 1. So we can find the sum of 2 sine 1 to 89. We can add 1 after that. So let S be sine 1 degree plus sine 2 degree. Last is your sine 89 degree. Or the same as can be your sine 90 is same as your cos 1 degree. This can be cos 2 degree 88, and here your cos 88 degree and cos 89 degree. So I am getting the value of s taking in term of cos. So I am not writing degree at each step. So it is understood that it is your degrees cos 2, cos 3 up to cos 89. So both in the left hand and right hand, I'll multiply sine half. So half multiplying with sine half degree into, it is degree, I have not written a step, at each step I am not writing degree. It will be sine half into s equal to sine half cos 1 plus sine half cos 2 up to last will be sine half cos 89. Then I'll apply the product of sum formula, that will be 2 sine A cos B equal to sine A plus B plus sine A minus B, or if it is sine A sine cos B, then it will be half this. So applying formula for each term, will get sine half into S equals to, here it will be half sine A plus B, half plus 1, that will be sine 3 by 2 minus sine 1 over 2 half. Second term will be half 2 plus half, that will be 5 by 2 sine 5 by 2 minus sine 3 by 2, so on. And the last term will be your sine 89 plus half, that will be 179 by 2 minus sine half. It's not half, it will be sine 89 minus half equal to 87.87 half, what will be 8177 by half. So sine half multiplies s equals to If you'll see this series, you will find that sine 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 cancel with sine plus 3 by 2. In the same way, 5 by 2 will be cancelled with the second term, and this term will be cancelled by the previous term. So what will remain? It will be half into minus sine half, and there plus half sine 179 by 2. Now S will be half sine 179 over 2 minus sine half, full divided by sine half. So we'll simplify this. S equals to half sine 179 by 2 sine half, and second term will be half sine half over sine half. So it will be cancelled. So it will be half sine 179 by 2 over sine half minus half, or S equals to half sine 179 over 2 can be written as sine 180 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 180 by 2 means it is nothing but your 90 degrees. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, we know. So this will be half cos half over sine half. So that is your cot half. So half cot half minus half. So this was up to 89 degree. If I want to take S equals to sine 1 degree plus sine 1 2 degree plus sine 3 degree plus sine 89 degree plus sine 90 degree, I'll add 1 to be half cot half minus 1 minus half plus 1. So the answer is half plus half cot half. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching whole video. Thank you for subscribing my channel.